Alright, kasama po natin si Major Falabrica. Sir, grabe, sobrang successful ka sa career na tinatahak mo ngayon. Baka naman pwede mo kami magbigyan ng at least top 3 na sikreto, no? Kung paano mo nakita yung karera mo sa buhay mo.
Good day, Sergeant Dubaton. Three tips at least, not three.
Yes po.
You have to be committed to your dream for something that you want to achieve it. But I think before you commit to that, you should have a vision or a dream on how to get that objective of yours. So, yun ang palaging dalawa. You have to visualize it, then you have to dream with it, then you are committed, and you have to do it. You have to do it. Yun lang. Then, pursigido ka dyan, makukuha mo yung career na gusto.
Ayun, salamat Major Falabrica sa iyong tips, no? Sana maraming kang matulungan na tagapanood natin. Salamat po, sir.